All right, hello guys, welcome back. Today is April 6th, Monday night. A quick recap of what happened today and what I'm looking for the rest of the week. So starting off with NQ here on the daily. I mean, we ended up getting that bullishness above this high and then we kind of wicked around this high, showing willingness to not want to continue moving higher and maybe start moving lower. Um, Now, it's still too early to be able to say that it wants to move lower right now for certain. Um, so, we're still looking for confirmation, some type of market structure shift, an entry model. Um, but yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. We had that 1 p.m. news with Trump, kind of went lower and then manipulated higher potentially. But yeah, I mean, essentially from here we are inside of this rejection block after sweeping the rejection block liquidity and the highs. I want to see maybe a market structure shift on this 1 hour, moving lower, and then some type of retracement, and then continued move lower to maybe this low, this low, this low, and to come. But yeah, we're still waiting to see that confirmation and maybe aligning T bonds or some sort of reference. Looking at the dollar, dollar itself was um, ended up closing consolidated, um, too bearish. So it swept this high, and then from there started moving lower. Traded into FEG, moved lower. Then we swept this low inside of this FEG, and then moved higher. And this is what we were watching for. Just that move down into again the FEG right here, but with this overlapping in yeah inversion or reclaimed. And now from here, very similar to NQ, looking for some sort of market structure shift. Maybe if we can close above this 1 hour bearish FEG as an inversion, find some sort of support off of it, and then maybe a market structure shift off the retest, and then look for within that a 15-minute entry. Then maybe we can go for these highs and then these highs. That's something I'll be watching out for. And then looking at ZB, ZB was pretty bullish, and I was expecting bearishness, but it makes sense why we're bullish. I mean, we're aligning ourselves with NQ. It's pretty understandable, but yeah, I mean, we are inside of this bearish order block, and again, we had that wick showing willingness to not want to move much higher, and then we have sweep of this right here, and then you could do um, your your wick levels. See what kind of level it is. I'm not going to do that. Maybe if you're going to, maybe if you do your projections, you can find something. But yeah, I mean, we had this trade up into this wick and started kind of wicking and not wanting to continue much higher. We'll have to wait and see though, because again, we need confirmation before just entering. And yeah, I mean, maybe then we could start targeting some lows. And then I wanted to look at ZN, is it? Yeah, ZN. See what it was doing as well. ZN's a little bit more cleaner as it went up into this bearish order block and closed under it could show potential bearishness. I wonder if this is SMT here. If there's any type of SMT between these. No, nothing. Maybe on the 1 hour we can look at that. See if there's any type of SMT. So I think we got one right here. 8 a.m. high, 2 p.m. lower high, and then ZB 8 a.m. high, 2 p.m. a little bit higher. So that could be showing potential institutional sponsorship. We'll just have to wait and see tomorrow morning where we are, what we've done during London and Asia. Continue executing on the plan. Other than that, I hope you found this insightful. Please trade safe and take care.